Okay, so now going to show you about what is no demand and no supply. Okay, so it's like you're driving a car without the fuel. Okay, so if you are driving the car, when you're going up here, you have no fuel, right? Then the car going to drop right back down. Okay, so it's same concepts like the price is going up. If without the volume to support, the price will drop down. Okay, will drop down because no money to support the move. The big boy don't support the move, then the price will go down. Okay, so another way around, if price going downwards, so the volume should be getting higher. Okay, by right getting higher, show that there's interest to go down. If the volume is getting lower and lower, meaning that the supply is getting lower and lower. Okay, if like that, the supply going to get lower and lower. Okay, so normal one, okay, summarize. Normal one, go up, volume should be increasing. Going down, by right, volume should be increased also. Okay, increase also. Okay, so if there's any move that didn't follow the increasing the move with the move, then will be there's some weakness. Okay, some sign of weakness. Now you're going to look at the no demand and no supply. Okay, what does it mean? So meaning that there's a candle and volume analysis that will show that the sign of no demand or no supply. So when the price moving up like this, let's say when it turn around like this, then you can see this is a candle bar, this is going down, then going down, then suddenly one going up. Okay, going up with lower volume. Okay, lower volume, meaning that there's no demand for it because it's going up with low volume. Okay, going up with low volume, so meaning that there's sign of no demand. So another way around, like this, when you go up, okay, this is a bullish bar going up, then come down with the bearish bar here. Okay, bearish bar here, bearish bar here, then but the volume is lower than previous. Okay, previous candle, meaning that there's the no supply here. No supply, the price will still go up. Okay, there's no supply, then price will still go up. Okay, now this video we're going to talk about when the price moving up is in the uptrend, right? You can see the price moving up, then you can see from here the volume moving downwards, meaning that when the price move up, the volume going down, meaning that the demand is decreasing. Okay, is getting lower and lower and lower, the demand. Okay, when the price movement, meaning that this trend might be end soon, but you still need to look at the candlestick size. Okay, so when the size move up, it's like this, it's getting smaller and smaller, then end up you come in and another red candle, trying effort 2 candle up, then another 2 candle down. It's like struggle already, so you can see your H and M, right, is getting weaker and weaker. Okay, so meaning that this is sign of the trend going to be end, then enter the ranging stage. After ranging stage, they going to, this is expansion stage. After expansion, the price going to move down. Okay, now we're going to talk about the no supply. Okay, no supply. So when the price going down, they need supply more than demand so that the price going to move down. So when there's no supply, so the price not willing to go down anymore, right? Because now demand, if demand is more than supply, the price is going up. So now you can see that when the price, this one moving downwards, then the volume also going down. Okay, so meaning that the trend might be end soon. Okay, so usually you see this kind of sign, right? When there's come a strong green candle bar, meaning that there is starting the buyers coming in. Although there's no supply, but you still need the buyers to coming in so that to push the price upward. Because it's no supply, the price won't be go down so far, but you still need a demand to push the price right back up. Okay, so now you can see that after the price drop over here, okay, This one is like no, from here to here, like no supply, suddenly increasing in the supplies. This is the abnormality, okay? Suddenly increase the supply, meaning that there's might be someone doing some evil stuff over here. They're trying to push down the price initial part. Just put this one, this might be initiated by big boys, push slightly good enough money to push market down. Then a lot of traders start seeing this sign, they are jumping in to do a sell. Then after that, they are accumulate over here because people will keep selling. They will keep buying over here. Okay, they are very evil. You see, they buying below the whole number. They like to do some these tricky things below the whole number or above the whole number. So once they are happy, you see there's very high volume. They bring the price down. They are keep buying here. Even though this one is a red color bar, it might be buying also. Although the seller a lot more by the retail trader, they are slowly buying in. Okay, slowly buying in. You see the candle is how small, meaning that someone is giving pressure over the candle, over the price. Then the price end up eventually after they fulfill everything. Once they're ready, they're going to push the price right back up. Okay. Okay. So what is effort with no result? Okay, so meaning that you are working hard, okay, end up you cannot get a good result. So same thing like a price candle, when the price moving up with the big candlestick moving upwards, but end up the price doesn't make any high, then after that drop right back down. So this one is called the make effort with a high volume. You can see very high volume, increasing volume, okay, increasing volume, but end up the price doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so this say consider that they're making effort but end up no result. So another thing is, if they're making any effort, very high volume here, end up another candle bar come down with the high volume also or even higher, then this meaning that this one making effort end up no result because this guy is even stronger. Okay, okay, so now we're going to talk about you working hard but end up without any result. Okay, so this one like you making an effort but you end up eventually doesn't make it. Okay, so same like the price. Okay, you see the price, this one how far it moved. Okay, about 20 pips move with high volume, already work very hard. Okay, the candle with the high volume, you can show that wow, very hard working. End up the next candle come down so short. Okay, so short, never go so far, should be will go far away, right? If increased momentum, the candle size should getting bigger, but this one okay, just a very small and still high volume. Okay, then the next candle go up with this one, although it's slightly lower volume than previous one, but still consider quite high volume. So from here you can see it make it effort, but the price doesn't move anywhere, it's stuck around. Then the next candle come out, still the same, never go down again, never go down. Then after that the price shooting back right back up. So this is called effort with no result. Okay, you're making effort, but if you see, if making effort here should have a result that come down here. Okay, but this one doesn't make it. Okay, then you can see same thing here, in making effort to move up. Then the next candle with the, although it's with a low volume, but compared to the previous one, but you can see it never move further for the next candle, but for the next second candle also never move up, come right back down and close below its previous low. Okay, so this one is called effort with no result. Okay, with no result. If the candle go up high volume, come down with the higher volume a little bit compared to this one, then even better sign. Okay, there even better sign, but like that almost equal volume, still good, still okay. What is stopping volume? Okay, stopping volume is like a power that able to move a price movement. Okay, let's say our price moving up here, then suddenly got a very narrow spread like a doji candlestick pattern showing with a high volume, okay, with a very high volume. Okay, so if a company with the volume here is high, then will be okay, the volume will be high, then will be better, because there's meaning that there's something one very strong power moving up but has been stopped by someone. Okay, have been stopped by someone, meaning that there's a selling pressure on top. Okay, with the need to have an ultra high volume here. Okay, meaning that the price going to reverse soon. Okay, going to reverse soon. Sometimes it's not immediately, but sometimes we're still ranging a while, but end up eventually go down. Okay. Okay, there are another types of stopping volume. Okay, other than doji, if you can see the price movement up, then forming the pin bar, okay, over here with a narrow spread with high volume, this also considered stopping volume. Okay, this one will be more powerful, that the pressure is all the way pressing down, then have a long wick here over here. Okay, then you ask me what is different for this one with the stop hunt, right? Stop hunt usually they will be like that in range. In range usually they will hunting at the resistance level. Okay, hunting at the resistance level, then we hunt down bottom and top like that. Okay, that's the hunting for the um they'll hunt the buyer, then here will be hunt the seller over here, and hunt the stop loss also. Okay, then for the stopping volume, there's usually will be after upward movement, then have the stopping volume over here to stop the price movement to go further. Okay, there it got its power to stop it. Okay, meaning that it's very powerful if coming from very strong upward movement or downward movement like this. Okay, then for the stop hunt usually will be in the range, then hunting. Okay, do the hunting. Okay, finally come to this chapter. We have know how to see all the volume already. So now this come to the test. So the test is need to, for the big boy, they need to run for the profit, but they need to do a test before they run it, because they need to test the market still got any supply and demand or not. Let's say the price is going up like this. Then after that, they're doing ranging here. Okay, then there was some stop hunt here and ranging here. Then if they want to move the market downwards, they have to do another test to go up. Okay, this is the stop hunt. Then they do another test to see that there is any high volume over here to go up. Okay, they do another test. If there's the low volume compared to the previous high, okay, this peak, if the test the volume is like this, lower, then meaning that the test is successful, then the price is going to be dropped in the future. But in another way round, if your price going up, then ranging, this is your stop hunts, then range again, then this is another test. If the volume still high, meaning that the test is still fierce, still a lot of buyer, then they will still ranging a while, then they will move the price the lower or upper to retest again. Sometimes they will test at a bit lower here, they will test over here. Then if the volume is low, then the price will moving down. Okay, how if the price is still high, then the market will still moving up. Okay, if the test fear, that means the volume still high compared to previous high, then the price will still go up and do another test to see, to check again until there is low volume, only market ready to move down. Okay, now we look for more example for the test. So you can see from here, this is uptrend, then this is ranging. So from ranging, we just see that the volume here will be high. Then you can see this, the price moving up. This one, the top still high. Okay, now we go to another top. Okay, now you can see the price starting. This one, the candle bar becomes smaller when moving up, then volume slower down. So meaning that at this level, a little bit the buyers weaken at this level already. Okay, starting weakening. Then you can see the moving down volume getting high. So okay, good, is a good intention that the big boy, their intention to moving the market downwards, but we still need to have to see sometimes they, because the test the volume still not so low, so it might still moving up because you see the buyer how strong they're coming in, so they are still have power. So when you see now they a bit choppy, then when they're moving up, so they are slowing down right now. So now another test over here. Okay, there another test, but you can see there's a high volume for this candle. There's a high volume. Okay, then we have to wait and see. It's still high volume, but you can see some good sign is a rejection. Got a rejection, come down with the red color big bar with the high volume but slightly lower than previous. So still wait a bit. Then you see now doji already. Okay, very struggling to go up. Struggling to go up. Okay, this is doji bar. Then you can see this red candle bar. Doji also starting have the high volume like a stopping power already, like a stopping volume. Then the price slowly moving downwards. Then come back again at this area. Come back at this area to retest it. Then you can see the volume is so low. Then finally the market move down a little bit. Then retest again. Okay. Then you can see once the market moving up, but you can see there's high volume for this bar, but don't be confused because the high volume might be due to the seller pressure. You can see the tier is bigger than the body. If the body moving up, meaning that there's a buyer volume, but this represent more to seller volume. Okay, this is more to seller volume. Seller is high, then moving downwards even stronger. Then after that, confirm the trend is not down. Okay. Okay. So okay. So the more tests you have to look for now. Okay. Okay, let's see over here. This is a range. Then this is a top again. Top again. Top again, moving up with the high volume. Then moving up with high volume, but after moving up with high volume, this should be have something to do, the price should be go up, right? So after move up the high volume, the candle maintain ground. Okay, maintain it here same level, meaning that this high volume do nothing. Okay, do nothing, they are stopped by someone. Okay, stopped by someone or no interest to go up because the volume is so low. They have no interest to go up at least this level. Then after that the price slowly drop. Okay, slowly drop down. Okay. Okay, have a look here again. Okay, you can see this is the moving up with the high volume. Okay, getting higher and higher, but here in moving up you can see the volume slower down. Okay, slower down. This is moving up, then you can see the volume coming down. Okay, so meaning that the test also successful for this one, then price after that moving downwards. Okay, I think we move on to the summary. Okay, now finally come to summary. Very good. So now have a look on the chart. This is Euro USD daily chart. Okay, so let's say this is going for uptrend recently. Okay, uptrend soon. So this is the range. Okay, the range. So we need a test before the price can moving up, right? Need to successfully test. So you can see the peak here. Okay, this. Okay, Then in moving forward, you can see the high volume here, meaning that the market not ready to move up yet. Then high volume again. Okay, then you can see that another test here. Okay, now you can see this high volume down. Okay, high volume down with a narrow candle bar. Okay, with the narrow candle bar, something wrong here, right? Okay, something wrong here, meaning that they have the narrow spread bar, then high volume. It's like a stopping volume, then end up even narrow here, but the volume is too low. Okay, it's too low. They test over here, the volume getting lower and lower. Then when the price moving up, they got interest to move up higher, the volume getting high. Then the next candle bar moving down with the low volume again, going down with very low volume, meaning that there is no supply. Okay, no supply. They're moving down with low volume. Then after that, you can see this candle bar going up with high volume, then maintain it here, the volume here higher than the when the time they going down, so still got the interest to go up. Okay, then you can see the next opening, the price moving up, gap up. Okay, gap up. Then you analyze the volume. They might do a test before they running for their profit. Okay, when you see the down move, when this down move, there's a good sign. You can see this move going down with this candle bar, with this volume going down, meaning that this test successful. Okay, so successful. Once moving up with high volume, then we have to enter buy here. So moving down, higher volume than previous one. So this is high volume. Okay, this is high volume, so it's valid now. So after that, here you are confirm all your ranging, or the ranging is finished and your expansion stage is finished. Here is the good time to, if you want to catch the earlier trend. Okay, from here, see how many pips you can catch. Okay, if you, let's say, from this bar high volume, this one going up is about 940 pips. Okay, 940 pips. If you enter here, you slowly move your stop loss higher. When you go to here, you move your stop loss here. When the price moving up again, you move your stop loss here. Then in moving up again, you move your stop loss here. So at least you can gain. If you hit the stop loss after the price moving down, you can earn how many pips from here to around here. You also can earn about 700 pips. Okay, 700 pips. Okay, so now we'll have a look more things. Okay, so the upward movement, you can see the very strong. Okay, by using H&M, going up very strong, going up very strong, going up. What happened? Why come down? Okay, you can see this side. You can see over here, it going up this big. Okay, then going up again. Okay, this high. Okay, going up again. Okay, this high. Then after that, it come down all the way here, half. Okay, half. Then meaning that something wrong already. So you spot the first sign, something wrong here. Okay, something wrong here, because you can see the volume is high, but the price never go up. After that, it like stop for how many days? 3 days. 1, 2, 3. Then another climax. So this is climax when the price moving up. Okay, so the climax is here. Okay, you need to take the whole chunk here as a climax. Price moving up until here, then coming down how many percent? Coming down. So if you combine, do calculate maths candlestick, the wick is, how big is the wicks? Is about 90%. Okay, so it's very big. Okay, it's 90% or more. So meaning that this is climax. So with a strong volume, if you add on all the volume here, is very high volume. Okay, so that this is the sign of end of the uptrend. Okay, but it's not immediate. Usually we're still ranging a while. So this is the high, then this is low. Repeat it, you might range it. Okay, ranging again, you will need to try again. Still cannot make it, then try one more try again. One more try, you can see the volume here. You notice the volume here going up with the not very high volume like compared to the previous one. Okay, the previous one is here, so we compare the volume. Okay, slightly lower. Okay, slightly lower. This one slightly lower, then this one also. Then after that come up with a strong momentum downwards with the weak rejection here. So this is a good sign. Okay, this is a very good sign. When you see very big movement with a wick on the top, meaning that there's sign of seller coming in very strongly. Okay, very strong. Then they bring the price down. Okay, so this is so strong until they don't need a test. Okay, they never happen another test here. Okay, because you can see the price, even though the test here is successful from here, going up with a lower volume here, lower volume, but you can see the buyer still strong here, upward movement still strong. So we need to see the HMM, they getting weaker, and the seller show their sign stronger. Okay, here the seller never show any sign yet. You see the seller is still weak. Okay, the seller here, okay, not that strong. Here is weak, but here you can see, wow, it is so strong. Coming down here, if you see the good sign, you enter sell here, then the price moving downwards. Okay, about 326 pips. Then they might have to do another test in the lower part, because here is the above here, all is the considered buyer region still. So they need to do another test at this resistance level before they move further. Okay, moving down further. Okay, you can see the test, they're moving up, up, up with this one slightly higher volume, moving down. Okay, lower volume, seems like no interest to go down. Boom, suddenly someone's coming in, the next candle again. How come lower down again? The volume, it's not going down, is it? Then still wait. Okay, going up, the higher volume, up. Okay, now this one with the even higher volume with coming down. So from now here, seller win the war still. Then you see there's going down, low volume, going up, even lower volume, then left a wick over here, okay, you can see left a wick over there. It's like this volume represent about half seller or half buyer. Then you can see this one stronger seller is coming in, then this is a good timing to enter short here. Okay, good timing to enter short here. Then your stop loss you can put around here. If you aggressive, you can put here. Okay, or you want to put to be safe, you want to put here. Okay, then the market moving downwards. Okay, then you can see when market moving down, good sign that the volume is increasing, meaning that this still got momentum, until you can see now. Okay, it moving down with this one, moving down with the volume going down. So meaning that this is not a good sign. So buyer can come in anytime soon. Then can see buyer coming in now, coming in again, buyer coming in again. Okay, then the price going up until here. Okay, going up. So this major move down, this up might be just like if you study Elliott wave, this is just a ABC only. It's just a retracement, retracement, but you have to still have a look. Okay, see any sign of weakening or not. Okay, going up. Okay, then you can see the price here higher up, but get stop hunt over here. Okay, high volume up, high volume down, got stop hunt here. So meaning that the market unable to go up high, someone is hunting over here. Okay, do hunting over there. So now we see the market need to go up, then another one pushing down again. You can see someone is pushing down hard again. Someone pushing down here again. Then have a look over here. The market moving up, then moving down again. Okay, moving down again. Then after that, you can see this bar. They're forming. This is like a resistance. You can see all at this level. So the market unable to move up. Okay, then after that, strong movement downwards here. The market rally. Okay, about 600 pips. Okay, market 600 pips over here. Okay, so you can see from here, even though the market moving down, the volume is nothing much. Okay, it's like slightly going down, so it's nothing much to have a strong momentum to go down. For this one, they are like seller losing momentum, and see they are H&M. How weak are them? Okay, how weak are them? So after that, strong buyers coming in again. Strong buyer coming in. Then you have to see the price markup here, maintained here. Then the price try again to pushing downwards, pushing down with the lower volume. You see this volume lower than previous low, meaning that there is no supply. No supply. Then this stronger green candle bar coming in. Okay, so this one is strong demand coming in. So it's a good sign now, demand. So we need a test. The price moving down again with a low volume than previous candle. So the test successful. Price moving up. Then suddenly someone is coming in strongly, but it's coming strongly with the high volume, but the price fear to go lower for the next candle. The next candle fear, then price blasting up. Okay, up. Then this level become the important level because they have tested multiple times. Then when the price come down again at this level, okay, you can see the price coming down this level with slightly lower volume. Then you can see that the price is don't have interest to go down. Okay, don't have interest to go down. Then you can see here, this is buyer coming in. Okay, someone is buying. Okay, but this is end up, I think it's a turn to the ranging. You can see the buying coming in. The market, the volume still not high. Okay, not high enough. The market still not high enough until you can see this red color bar is coming in. Okay, now you can see someone is coming in strongly, seller. Okay, seller, this represents seller coming in. Then this level is important region, okay, because it's seller strongly coming in. Okay, you can see the price moving down. Okay. Okay, then after that, okay, you can see this one and this one coming down here. You can see the volume getting weaker. Okay, this one supposed to be this one. Here is here. So these two top, the volume, the peak of the price, right, higher high, So you can see reduce, so meaning that this is not a good sign for to do a sell. Okay, not a good sign. We need a volume getting higher, then it's a good sign to do a sell. Okay. Okay, so now we have a look more for more example. So you can see this one, which is a pin bar with a long wick with the high volume. This is stop hunt. Okay, stop hunt. Okay, stop hunt, hunting the buyer here. If you bring up price quickly with the high momentum, then pushing back down with the high volume as well. So this one, a lot of people jumping to the buy here, so a lot of people getting trapped over here. So this is a trap. So from here you can see the price moving up, but the price, the volume is going downwards. Okay, downwards here. So you see here and here, meaning that the price no interest to go up, no interest to go up, then the price drop here. So same thing over here, the price moving down, getting lower and lower, less of interest. Okay, less of interest is the sign of reversal. Okay, weakness, sign of weakness of downtrend. So we got some weakness, but we need to see the buyers coming in. So from here you can see this volume, this is the got the rejection over here. You can see the volume, this one higher than this one. Okay, so after that coming up with the strong buys over here, strong buyers. Okay, but here some rejection, they are still fighting. Okay, the seller haven't give up, still fighting. Come out to here, then you can see the volume is not that high when it going down. Okay, suppose if there shows some interest to go down, right, the price, the volume have to increasing, but never show the interest to go down. Then after that you can see when the price moving up, the volume also moving up. Okay, the volume also moving up, also going up. So this is a good sign that price want to go up higher. Okay, got a demand, got demand. Then when the price moving down, under here you can see a very narrow body bar with a high volume. Then they left only the wick at the both equal length. Okay, equal length meaning that buyer and seller are fighting aggressively with a high volume. Then end up, you can see the price moving above this candle. Then it break through, then price go up. Okay, the price after that go up. But you can see the price actually once go up, the price initially like that, right, over here, but after that it got show that sign of increasing the volume slightly. Okay, getting more and more, so this is a good sign. Okay, this is a good sign. Okay. Okay, hi guys. So this video we're going to discuss about more about the volume and the candle spread analysis. So when you see the price, right? Okay, let's say you go to the bigger time frame, you can see the price uptrend. Okay, then there's a pullback here, then this going up, right? So that you will know that here, let's say here you got the one pin bar, or we call it kangaroo tier here. When the price coming down here, entering this is what we call is a demand zone, right? Okay, so now we need to analyze this part. Is the trend reversing or just a pullback? Okay, so that we will know that we want to enter buy or just enter the sell here. Okay, this is what a lot of people confusing over here. Okay, I draw this one. Let's say this one zoom down. Okay, over here we saw the pin bar. Let's say the price is going up, okay, up, right? Then suddenly, right, very strong candle pushing price downwards. Okay, then you can see that there's this increasing of the volume. Okay, so from here we need to analyze that if the price is going up with the lower volume and the candle is getting narrow and narrow, meaning that the seller losing strength, Then if the candle here is quite big here, then the volume is high, so it's healthy, meaning that the price is going downwards. Okay, in another words, if you see the situation like another scenario, when the price moving up, then the candle looks healthy, getting bigger and bigger. Then, okay, the volume is getting higher. So uptrend is still healthy. In bigger time frame, uptrend is still valid. When the time you see there's a big red candle come down, another one, then suddenly got this thing come out. Okay. Alright, so over here you will see this is very high volume. This is getting higher and higher and higher. So in our volume analysis, when the price go down with the higher volume, so we mentioned that the downtrend is valid, right? But in this scenario, you need to check the spread. Okay, your volume is increasing, but you see the spread is getting smaller. Something is wrong. Okay, something is wrong. So you see there's a narrow spread bar with a high volume, meaning that this is stopping volume. Okay, there's some pressure pushing up to stop the, even though the volume come down very strongly, stopped by very strong volume buyers. Okay, so from here we know that there's something wrong, but will not immediately enter the buy yet. Okay, we need another test. Okay, we need another test. So usually the price will going up, then after that will come down, right? Come down with a narrow spread bar to retest the same region again. Okay, retest again with a lower volume compared to the previous bar. So the bar coming down with a lower volume here, then we will know that this is valid. Okay, this is valid once the price go up high across the candle here with a higher volume. Okay, once this candle complete ended with a high volume, so that we can confirm that this is the buy, so we can enter the trade to buy over there. Okay, recently I have done one trade. This one I post in our Instagram, our Telegram. So I enter over here, then end up the price from here coming down to here. So total is around, I enter around here, so it's about around 60 pips. Okay, 60 pips drop. Okay, so a lot of member asking me how can I spot this trade. So at first you go to 4 hours, you can see the volume is getting lower, even though you see the trend is going long term. Getting more and more people jump in to buy the market, to buy the AUD, okay, Aussie. Then you can see the volume is getting lower and lower and lower. Okay, it's getting lower. Okay, so from here you can see the changes is this one, the bear bar coming in with high volume. This is the first signal. Then we have to be alert. Then we have to careful. If you take long, you have to stay out already, take your profit. But you are short, you still have to wait, because there's a first signal only coming down with the high volume, but the buyer still alive. Okay, the buyer still alive. So the second one here, when the price coming down, okay, it's so strong. Okay, so strong. So actually I think I catch this move from here to here. Sorry, it's not that one. I catch this one because when you have the first pullback here, I think I enter it, yeah, around here. First pullback, 15 minutes, yeah, I enter it around here. Okay, then it's about how many pips? About 50, 60 pips. Okay, so you can go to smaller time frame, because when you higher time frame, you can see the moving down here is almost the buyers based on your H&M, right? Your health and momentum. So you will see that the buyers losing momentum. Okay, for those who haven't taken the naked price trading course, don't know what's HMM, you can just go back to the previous course, naked price trading, so that you can get better structure, okay, before I come to this more advanced course. So you can see when the price moving up, then come down, moving up, then how much it losing its momentum, then going up again, losing a lot more. So you can see it's almost reached here already. So the price struggle up, cannot go up, up cannot go up, struggle. Then finally, there's a one push up. Yes, this is our chance, because previously they push up, got the smack down here and here. You can see this one, the pin bar here, is smack down. So when it's pushing up very high up, you can see the spread going up high, but the volume here is so low, okay, so meaning that they are losing their energy, okay, no more fuel already, okay, their car drying up here but no energy. If the car drying up here, no energy, what happened next? It will drop down. So from here you go to a smaller time frame, then you can see more detail. Smaller time frame, usually we need to spot the high volume that pushing back downwards, okay, so when you can see the price moving up with no strength, but at the highest point here, someone is coming in pushing it down, okay, with a high volume. So this is a 5-minute chart. Let's go to 1 minute, we can see more clearly. Go to 1 minute. Okay, with that highlight, easier to look for the, okay, here, okay, let's go to 1 minute. Okay, here. Okay, so that time I just see like this only, okay, so I enter around, I think around here, this level, okay, so you go to the smaller time frame, you can see that the price before, in the slightly bigger time frame, they were dropping low volume, like suddenly you can see increase of volume at the peak there in the smaller time frame, meaning that there's someone is coming in very strong, because this one, a lot of buyers starting coming in, they are, someone is pushing back downwards. You see the red color one, the bear volume so strong, bear volume so strong, pushing back down, okay. Then this one you can see they are fighting, okay, also high volume with the doji bar. So this one you can see the tier is longer than this part, the upper wick longer than lower wick, meaning that seller is slightly stronger now, but we have to still wait. You see coming push until here, can see seller, okay, seller win the trade already, okay, it's very strong here. So then you still monitor here, you can see the buyer struggling up, going up, okay, very struggle, okay, very struggle, a lot of small candle, unable to push up higher, then one candle push down again, then buyer trying their effort, okay, trying their effort. So from here you can see this candle, actually this and this price is the most better place to get entry. If you want to be safe, you need to wait this one, you need to wait. You can see the M, okay, molar okay, molar shape. Then this is the test, this is a test. When the test, you need to see the volume not high, this one go up, not really high, but pushing back down by a higher volume here, okay, pushing back down by high volume. Then come in another test here, very low volume, the buyer no strength to go up, okay, no strength, the volume very small. Then here is the best place to enter, around here, okay. So I enter about here, but for you guys, I think you need to wait for more confirmation. The better way, you can see it closed below the 50 EMA also, then the wick stick through the 50 EMA, then the strong sales is coming in with volume. So you can see that here, if you want to, you can enter around here. It's bad for to be safe. Okay, so end up the price is dropping down very strongly, pushing back downwards. Okay, so it hit to the round level here. So round level here is a bit strong. Okay, you have a strong buyer here. This line, you can see this top is forming a very strong resistance and congruence with this support line here. Then the price pushing back upward again by the retail seller. Okay, sorry, retail traders. So this price, you can see the retail trader which is waiting for they are trading for the support demands. Traders all were rushing in and buy the stock here. Then you can see the price pushing back how far up, pushing up again through here. But you can see the long wick here, someone even stronger coming in here, even strong coming in to pushing down back the price. Okay, someone very strong. Okay, let's just see. Okay, let's highlight that one first. Okay, now go to smaller time frame. Okay, so you can see the price pushing back up by retail trader with very low volume. Suddenly a lot of people jumping in with slightly higher volume, but here you see someone is pushing back downward, very strong, very high volume. Someone is pushing downwards all the way, meaning that our big boy don't want to let the price across this level. They are keep selling over this level. So okay, then you can see the price moving down after that. Okay, the price moving down, but now I can see the price moving down with the quite low volume. Probably the next, what they're going to do, they're going to let the retail trader bring up the price slightly here. Then they add more short position here. They are already at this 2 short position already, so they might wait for the price slightly pull back. They get more higher price for the short position building before they pushing hard down again. Okay, so this video going to explain to you why just now I take the trade, this one I was short from here. Okay, I short the gold from this point. Okay, so as you can see, the volume here, when the gold going up, the volume is going down. Okay, going down here. Okay, so you will know that the price doesn't want to go up higher. So you further go into analyze, you see the strength initially is based on candlestick is strong, right? Then it pull down here, it push up again, but doesn't make it bring down. It struggle here a while, only successful to push up the price. But once you see this candle push up, right, so high up, but you see the volume is so low, meaning that it's some abnormal here, something wrong. So once you see something wrong, it must be struggle a while before it can go down. So you still have to wait. Then you can see it struggle a little bit. It prop back high up, left only a tier. Okay, left only a tier. Then you can see this is the resistance line. It break through the resistance here. It likely will be doing some hunting over here and come back right away, right down here. Okay, so that's why I just now I enter the trade short around here. Then it come down until here. So this one total about 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips for this trade. Okay, but I just now stop out around here. Okay, stop out around here because there is just now I put my trailing stop. Okay, I think it should move up higher. It might hit this one. Then we'll see, is it price going to drop down again or not. Okay, so another, just now go to the, if you go to 1 minute, you can see this is very big, very long, right? It's a hunting over here. Can see there's some hunting over here. Can see the volume is super high here. It's very high. Okay, then you can see there's some hunting over here and here also. Okay, so Now you need to closely see, is it possible to get in another trade here so that can short the market. If the market going up, then we'll see what will happen next. Okay, so we need to just monitor it for now, because it's, you can see the buyers start coming in. Is it successful or is still fear? Okay, if it's fear, then we join the big boy, because I think our big boy now is standing around this area. Okay, this area. Okay, so this video going to show you another live trade. Okay, so this is a go. Okay, I shot the go over here. I opened three orders here. Okay, I shot the go. Okay, the reason being why I shot the go, because when you can see the price moving up here, right, is keep the volume is lower down. Okay, when the price moving up from here to here, from here to here, you can see the price is going down. All right, so when the price, this one trying their effort to moving up, but you can see the after moving up, there's nothing much over here. Okay, very low volume. Okay, so at the almost the same level, this region, you can see slowly increase the volume, meaning that someone is building the position. There's some very high activity around here. So I would say that this might be a big boys building their short position here. Okay, so slowly the price, they prefer push the price high up here, trap more buyers over here, then they enter more short positions. Then after that, I will expect the price going to down to this level again. Okay, so now let's go down to 1 minute. Okay, chart and have a look more detailed activity. Okay, so you can see when the price coming up higher here. Okay, you can see this one very high volume and the very big spread, but eventually the price never pushing up, so they got an effort but no result. Okay, no result over here. There's some abnormal over here. Okay, when you moved to the highest point, but there's the price struggling to going up, you see, or coming down again. So meaning that they got some try their effort but no result. Okay, so end up, then they try again over here at this point, then with a slightly higher volume, smack down a little bit more, then again another one more with the spread bar a little bit wider compared to the previous small candle here. Then after that, you can confirm once you can see the price successful, bring it further downwards. You can see here, then here is a higher volume, then moving down again, then moving down this one with a very high volume here. Okay, so you can see over here, very high volume. Okay, so now they are before they run for their profit, they would like to build more first before they're running for their profit. Okay, so now you can see the 15 minutes chart. So they are still in uptrend, but before the uptrend turn into downtrend, so you can spot something already. Okay, so you can draw a trend line here. You can see slowly deviated from the trend, then slowly they were coming down already. Okay, so the buyers getting weaker and weaker. Based on H&M, you can see initially the buyer so strong, come here, then push down, then go again, doesn't make it come down, go again, doesn't make it come down, go again, doesn't make it, go again, doesn't make it. Okay, now this time they're trying hard, go again, still same level, doesn't make it, go again, doesn't make it, then struggling going up. You see they take how long over this period? Each candle represent 15 minutes. You see how many hours they are staying over here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 hours around here. Then you can see there's all the candle got a lot of wick. That means that some rejection over there, right? Some rejection over there. So I will expect the price will be coming down soon. Okay, Okay, so just now you have seen the video, so today is the next day already. So just show you that this is yesterday price that we say that we're going to sell over here. So now let me open this one. Okay, around here yesterday we say going to sell, but today is the price dropping down. Okay, so let's see how far it goes. That's the power of the volume analysis. It's total about around 186 pips. Okay, 186 pips. Okay, from there, so you can get the entry very early if you know the volume analysis very well. Okay, yep, thank you.